Welcome to NCERT Class 5 Chapter 4 Does It Look the Same? Part 3 1/4 turn. In our last video we have seen regarding half turn, that is 1/2 turn. Similarly this time we'll be seeing the 1/4 turn. Like the same explanation which I gave the last time, if we take a circle and divide it into 4 equal parts, then each part will become 1/4. So if we move from this part to this part, that is from here to here, then it will become 1/4 turn. Children, already introduction is given in the introduction video. Just go through it once before going into this video. Okay. Now 1/4 turn. Does the fan look the same on 1/4 turn before turning it and after turning it? So before turning it is given in this way. Okay, and after turning out, what happens? This blade will come from here to here. So will there be any changes? No, as all the colors of this fan is same. If colors are different, then it will be different. Next, will this fan also look the same after 1/4 turn? Draw in the yellow box. Here is an yellow box given for you. They have given you one more fan in which they have changed the blades colors, and they are asking whether it will be same. The same image I have put here. Now let's do the 1/4 turn. Okay, when we do the 1/4 turn, what is happening? The colors are changing, yes or no? The blue color comes horizontal and the other one goes vertical. Now this fan, will it be same? No, it doesn't look same after 1/4 turn. Practice time. Among the following shapes, find out which ones would look the same after 1/4 turn. Put a tick mark for the one which is correct and the cross which looks different. Okay, now the shape I'll be taking out here. See, here they appointed one. This is the shape. The shape have taken out separately to show you the turn. Okay, now let's do the 1/4 turn. Okay, remember the 1/4 turn na? Now is it looking same? No, because the in between triangle which is there, it was pointing to the top first. Outer triangle is anyhow triangle only, but it was pointing top, but now it is pointing to the side. That's why this is not the same. Now next, a window shape is given. Okay, this window shape. Now if we make 1/4 turn, look, is it same? Yes? No, that is also not the same. It has also changed. Now next, shape 3 I've taken down, and now we are doing, is it same? Yes? No, it is not same. The next shape, as it is squares, it is same. The next shape, here different colors are taken, that is yellow and green. It got interchanged. That's why that's also not same. The next shape, when we take, it is same. The next shape, is it same? No, it is also not the same. So understood, children, how to do 1/4 shape? This will not be provided for you. You have to think on your own. This is just given for your understanding. Now the wheel, the 8th one is the wheel, and a wheel after rotating it will be same. Now B, try and change the shapes in such a way that the new shape remains the same on giving half a turn. Now the shapes which have been given, see, these shapes which have been given have pointed out here separately. This shape, when you do half a turn, here they have said half a turn, okay ma, half a turn, then also it should be same. So they are asking us to change this shape so that it will look same. So how we will do? First I'll show you the half a turns of each and everything. Okay, so this half a turn, here little bit of creativity is required ma. You can do on your own if you just think. See, as the square is down on top, half a turn, what happens? It comes down. If I do 1/4 turn, it will come here. So if I keep the square in between, see, I have kept it in between, then what happens? If I do half a turn also, it will be same. The next shape, when I do it half a turn, it is changing. So what can I do? I can take the shapes inside, put that blue inside, and red to one side and white to one side. Then if I do it half a turn also, it will remain same. Now next, this one, next shape, that is also different. So what I'll do, I'll take the circles inside. So now what happens, if I do half a turn also, it will be same. Now here in this, what is the two are of different colors? Can we do with that? No. Then the new shape should be either both in orange color or both in blue color. Like that also you can keep. Next, two triangles. The two triangles, if you make it into a diamond shape, okay, two triangles join, then if you make a half a turn also, it will be same. Okay, children, understood? Here you need little bit of creativity. You have to think that how we can do it so that even though we turn, the shapes remains same. Okay, children, understood? Now next, draw what of the following shapes would look like on 1/4 turn and half a turn. Here few shapes are given for you. So A, B, C, D. Now they are asking to do 1/4 turn and half a turn, and which remains same they are asking you. Now let's see. The same shapes have kept here, and now first I will do 1/4 turn for this. 1/4 turn means moving from here to this side. Yes or no? This rectangle was here like this. So when I move it, what happens? It will become a straight. Yes or no? When I move it, it will become straight like this. Now half a turn for all the shapes. Okay, each and every shape. Half a turn means from here to here. Okay, when I do this, what did you see? Now they asked you which remains same. The triangle, is it remaining same? No. The next rectangle, is it remaining same? No. The next shape is also, only the square is same in the first one, and the next one all are same. You can see this is same, this is same as it is, and this is same as it is. Only the triangle has changed. Okay, children, I hope you understood till here everything clearly. Yes, we'll meet in the next part. Till then, thank you.